So 39% of worker skills will become outdated between now and 2030. That's just 5 years away. That's according to the World Economic Forum's Future of Jobs Report 2025, released just last week. So if you're worried about your job being replaced, you're in the right place, because in the next few minutes, I'll show you a solution that not only helps you secure your income in a way that's truly fulfilling, but also ensures that you avoid the biggest mistakes people make in their 40s, 50s, and even 60s when they start panicking about their jobs being replaced. Now, not so long ago, I was in your shoes, right? So I know what it's like to worry about the future, or to wonder if everything you've worked so hard for could be replaced or made irrelevant overnight. Now, I spent 20 years as a corporate lawyer, right? Climbing the ladder, building a career, and achieving success. But in 2016, I walked away from it all, right? Even at the peak of my career. Why? Because I realized that even the most prestigious roles weren't immune to change. Now, even then, the writing of business automation and AI, that was on the wall. And I knew I needed to be ahead of that change and not react to it. And that I also needed more than just one income stream to feel secure and truly fulfilled. Now, since then, I've dedicated my life to helping frustrated executives and business owners and professionals, just like you, create multiple income streams. And here's the thing, you don't need to be a master at everything or to fear being replaced. Instead, I'll show you how to tap into your unique purpose, your strengths, your values, and what you truly care about. And together, we'll build a future we can live a life that's both fulfilling and financially secure, no matter how fast the world changes. Now, with the rise of AI, more and more jobs are being replaced. And that's just a fact. Right? In my own business, one person can easily do the work of 3 to 5 and churn out better quality in a fraction of the time. So it's little wonder that most people worry about losing their jobs to AI. And so here's what most people do, right? They try and reskill or upskill into something they think is safe, or they learn AI to stay relevant, or even switch to an industry they believe will be less affected. Now, the problem is, none of these approaches really solve the problem. See, reskilling or learning AI can be overwhelming and time consuming, leave you stuck in constant learning mode, because AI and automation are evolving faster than anyone can keep up with. See, changing industries isn't much better. Right? Often means losing momentum in your career, only to find that no field is immune to AI's development. Now, on the 6th of June 2018, I wrote an article about whether AI would take our jobs, mentioning how AI was already starting to compose music. Now, back then, we believed that the creative arts were safe. Yet, by 2018, even that moat had been eroded. And today, there are free tools that can compose impressive songs in seconds. Now, if AI can disrupt something as inherently human as music, it's clear that no profession is completely shielded. Now, thankfully, there's a solution. If you're looking to reskill or upskill, don't base your decision on which industry seems safe, right? Instead, focus on aligning your efforts with your experience and purpose. If you're in your 40s or older, you've built up a wealth of knowledge and experience over the years, something AI can never replace. In fact, AI enhances the value of your unique perspective by taking care of the repetitive tasks, leaving you to focus on what truly matters. In fact, here's a story that I love to tell that illustrates this point perfectly. There was an old ship mechanic, and he was called in to fix a massive engine that had broken down. Now, despite the best efforts of experts and AI, no one could figure out the problem. The mechanic inspected the engine and tapped a specific spot with a hammer, right? And the engine roared back to life. When he sent a bill for $10,000, the ship's owners were horrified. Right? They asked for an itemized breakdown, and his reply was tapping the hammer, $2, knowing where to tap, $9,998. See, the mechanic's success wasn't about knowing where to reskill to or fearing being made obsolete. It was about understanding where his expertise made the biggest difference. Now, similarly, your value lies in leveraging what you already know and applying it purposefully to create impact in ways that AI never can. Now, the other crucial aspect is understanding your purpose, because purposeful leadership is something that will never be replaced by AI. See, it relies on uniquely human qualities that machines can't replace. Qualities like empathy, vision, emotional intelligence, and the ability to inspire. See, unlike general leadership or management, which focuses on achieving goals and meeting targets or optimizing performance, purposeful leadership is about aligning actions with a higher purpose, a purpose that resonates with people on an emotional level. It prioritizes human connection, fostering trust, and empowering individuals to bring their very best to the table. Now, while AI can analyze data, automate processes, and simulate decision making, it can't connect with people on a deeply personal level and understand nuanced human experiences or navigate the moral and ethical complexities of leadership. See, purposeful leaders create transformational impact by building loyalty, by driving innovation, and cultivating a sense of shared mission, qualities that ensure that their leadership remains indispensable even in an AI driven world. And finally, secure your financial future by focusing on purposeful income streams. See, income streams that are rooted in alignment with your values, your strengths, and your long term vision, rather than just being a quick way to make some extra money. See, random side hustles might offer short term psychological relief and occasionally some financial support, but they feel disconnected from your true self, which can lead to burnout or dissatisfaction. Most side hustles don't generate significant income, but people pursue them because it gives them a sense of taking action, even if it's not aligned with their long term goals or purpose. Now, purposeful income streams, on the other hand, are designed to leverage your unique skills, your purpose, and experiences and create opportunities that are meaningful and fulfilling. And they focus on building something that's sustainable, that aligns with your purpose and offers value to others, ensuring both financial security and personal growth. See, unlike chasing trends or quick fixes, purposeful income streams provide a sense of clarity and resilience, allowing you to thrive in a way that's deeply satisfying and resistant to external changes like the rise of AI. To help you navigate all of this, I've created a video series that explains our entire process with a clear, actionable, step-by-step framework to help you build purposeful income streams without the stress and overwhelm of trying to master everything. So just head to start.purposefree.com/workshop and learn how to grow your wealth in a way that aligns with your purpose and your values and that secures your future.